Good clean start, fellas. Come on, good clean start. Nice, nice. Showing them how it's done. There it is. Easy through the anthills, easy. All right, slow it down, stop, bring it back, bring it back. Got to work on getting through these anthills a little better, fellas. Whole back in the field got piled up right to the starting grid. Right to the grid, right to the grid. Right to the grid. Let's line them back up. All right, fellas, I'm not trying to be rude, but take him off the track. He can join in at the back. Take him off the track. He can join in the back. All right, driver's ready. Marshal's ready. Keep him in the back. Less than 5. Hold on. We're going to hang on.
Am I good?
All right. Driver's ready. Marshal's ready. Less than 5. Easy. Make it through the anthills. Come on, fellas. Nice and easy. Work together, work together. All right, we're going. All right, let's see how they string it through after the lap 1. Jack still in the lead. Paul into Aaron 3. Tim, Fabian, they are rolling. Watch it coming through that crosstown. As your leaders are heading into the infield. Leader on the step up, coming through the tricky triangle now. Your leader, Jack, trying to stretch it out, but the battle for second place heating up in this one. Oh, third place rolling it over. That's going to give Paul a little bit of breathing room. See if he can stretch it out as he comes through the 180s. Jack is your lead car as he's coming through the start straight. Heading over the water jump and into the anthills now. One and two trying to stretch it out a little bit there as they're heading into mini Daytona. Jack coming by in 1, Paul in 2. Aaron in that 3rd spot. Oh, Jack with a little bit of rollover. That's going to put Aaron right back on his back bumper as they head through Crosstown. Aaron didn't quite get it right. It's going to give Jack a little bit of breathing room. But Aaron is not giving up hope. He's trying to close in on him as he's heading into those anthills. Oh, Jack gets it wrong on the step up. That's going to put Aaron. Oh, they make contact. Good sportsmanship there. Jack in that 1 spot as the battle for 2 is heating up between Paul and Aaron. Now Ryan wants to get up in there too as they come in, hit the brakes in the 180s. You got 2, 3, and 4 coming across town. Looks like Paul's going to be able to hang on to it there as he's heading through the anthills first. Paul, major trouble in the tricky triangle. They get it sorted out. Your leader, Jack, separating out. He's got about a 10-second lead over the top of second place now. Paul still hanging on that 2 spot. He's trying to open it up. But Tim is closing in fast with 2 minutes left to go. Oh, watch it coming across town. Watch it across town. All right, we're clear. Jack coming through the mini Daytona. That's your leader, multicolored, coming down the straight now. Second place is Paul as he's heading into mini Daytona. And here comes Tim trying to close that gap with 1:30 left to go. Your battle for the second place is starting to heat up between Paul and Tim with 1 minute left. Help on the front straight or in the rhythm. Watch crosstown. A little trouble in crosstown there. Watch it in crosstown. The leader starting to come up on traffic now with 40 seconds left to go in this one. Battle for second place. Oh, it looks like Tim took over second. I didn't see the pass, but it happened. Oh, trouble in the front straight. Watch coming through those rhythm bumps. Tim able to find himself in second now. Paul down to third with 10 seconds left to go. Here we go. That's going to be time. Race to the line, race to the line. Jack comes by and takes it. Race to the line, race to the line. Jack is going to bump up. Tim takes over that second spot. He's going to be the other bump up. Got a couple buggies coming around to finish up. Still waiting on Aaron and Matt to finish up. I got one coming through the triangle now. Aaron is done, and here comes Matt coming around to finish his last lap. You're going to have Jack, Tim, Paul, Fabian, Ryan, Aaron, and Matt.
All drivers are finished.
Jack and Tim, you will be bumping up.
Please.
Jack